Okay, everyone. So, welcome to this live. So, I'm going to exercise patience for like 5 minutes to allow a lot of you guys to join the live. Um, Most importantly, what I'm going to be doing this evening is to actually review and share one major reasons why you should focus more on foreign stocks. Yes, focus more on foreign stocks. It's very, very important that you focus more on foreign stocks because the opportunities it brings are enormous. Okay, so I'm actually using my computer to stream this because I want to be sharing my screen. I want to be sharing my screen so that I can actually so that I can be able to practicalize most of the stocks and some of the applications that I'm going to be using to analyze each stock that we are going to be discussing about. Now, this is what it is about stock investment. A lot of people don't know about this stock investment. Some persons just feel that business should just only be on the physical thing that we normally do, see a particular stock and invest in it and all that. Please let me and close that door. Okay, so like I said, there are a lot of opportunities out there, especially for those who invest in foreign stocks. And I'm aware that most of you has also heard that Dangote is going to be sharing 30 naira dividend to all its shareholders. And the beauty of it is that if you are buying Dangote shares, you should buy it before on or before 16th of this April, so that you'll be able to be listed among those that will benefit from this dividend that Dangote is going to be paying. So you could do that. I think the payout is I think on 31st of May. Yeah, 31st of May. So, while we wait, I'm just going to be taking my time to visualize some certain aspect of stock investment, because what we're going to be doing here is to make sure that you buy potential stocks. There are a lot of stocks that we have out there. For me, on my watch list, I have over 1,000 different stocks: foreign stock, European stock, Asian stock, US stocks, but the US, the New York Stock Exchange, the Nasdaq, the S&P, and a lot of them ETF. Back here in Nigeria, you have the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Many of the stock listed over there. But this is what we're going to be doing today to make sure you get the best. I know this my okay. Okay. So please, guys, so if you have not actually subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to do that. Do well to do that because you're going to be benefiting a lot. You're going to be enjoying a lot of opportunity, a lot of update. And once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop useful information like this that will benefit you, you'll be the first to get it. Yes, you'll be the first to get it. And one good thing that you need to also enjoy after this live is that I'll be giving a lot of, like, let me say, like 20% the opportunity to join my signal class. Yes, my signal class is basically for investors. You can't be there if you're not investing. Of course, you can be there when you are prospective investor. So we'll guide you to create your account, get it approved, teach you on how to make choices of different stuff that you can start investing and watch it grow. And again, you also need to know when to sell a particular stock. You don't need to stock yourself with a particular stock. You need to know when to sell a stock. And like I said, when you want to sell a stock, you don't just sell because people are selling. You sell because you see a new opportunity, or probably because the stock you are actually investing on, or you invested on, are no longer living up to the expectation, or maybe you know, uh, promoting the characteristics of that company, or these are things that you need to know. So for those who are already here, you have the opportunity to join my signal class. My birthday is this April. Of course, it's coming on the 14th of this month. For those who know and for those who don't know, so for that reason, my secretary is going to, list out what offer we're going to give to every one of you out there. So that is the best gift I'm going to be giving you this year for my birthday. For my birthday, that is the best gift I'm going to be given this year. So do well to make sure you stick to the group and then utilize the opportunity. Yes, it's going to be wow. It's something that you get and you did. Now, let us start here. I'm going to be sharing some stuff. Let me show one of my account. Let me see. Okay, this is okay. Not this one. Let me check another particular account that I want to share. No, no, no. Sorry guys, because I have a lot of account that is actually opened. Okay, okay. So let me share this particular one. So this particular account right now, I want to share it with you so that we just use it to understand what I'm trying to explain to you guys, so that you know what. Okay, so this is one of my investment account that I'm actually managing for one of my clients. Has invested over over 7 million into this particular account. So now, the beauty of it is this, that when you want to invest, there are a lot of things that you need to consider. A lot of things that you need to consider. For those who believe in, who believe in patriotism, yes, it's good. But then when it comes to making money, you need to focus on what will give you return on investment. You don't just do it because people are doing it. You invest because you want to make money. Now, this particular account, I have the US portfolio and I have the NG portfolio. And let me open the NG portfolio, that is the Nigerian stocks. There are a lot of Nigerian stocks that are out, that are here right now. You can see there is no significant growth in this particular account. And if I should travel back to when these orders were made, you would see when, of course, when I actually bought most of all these stocks. You see, I bought over 660,000 worth of stock. That is the Transcorp. You can see Transcorp. This was done February 12th. And First Bank, I did First Bank February 15th, buying 520,000 naira worth of stock. MROS, I bought 256 500 worth of stock. Came back again for Transcorp and then bought. And MRS, I tried to buy again. There was a rejection, and many others. There are a lot of them. A lot of them. Right now, you can see this is MRS. I'm trying to sell off this particular stock that I actually bought. What is just $270,000, 70,000 naira. I want to sell it, and it has been pending since today is just 9th. Today is 9th, and it's still showing pending since yesterday. So you can see how it is with local stock. It's not always beautiful with the local stock, because I think the infrastructure on which the local stock do their trading and do, is not something to go by all the time. It's not actually business friendly. Let me put it that way. There's a lot of stagnation, a lot of slowness. There is no speed in the level of business. Of course, I understand that probably the way the country is, the business environment and all that, because if stock is determined mostly by the market forces. Yes, there is market forces that actually determine the prices of stock and how the stocks, how they grow, how they move. You see, so these are things that you must understand. Now, let me go back, because I just showed you what this particular one is on my screen, so that you can understand what I'm trying to talk about. If I have invested over 1 point something million on local stocks, and there has not been significant growth or profit made. You can see this is PZ. I bought 5,000 units of PZ, and it has been stagnant. This is PZ. For the past how many weeks, it has been 36 naira, 36 naira, and nothing is going on. So the question that will come to mind is, does it mean that PZ is not doing business, or what? Do you understand that? So these are things that you need to understand. So when I say focus on foreign stocks, I'm giving you instances. So after this, I'm also going to give you instances of the foreign stocks, so that when you compare them, you now make your decision and say, should you go for foreign stock? Because the beauty of it is that everything I'm going to be showing you on this platform, they are all secure, they are all well regulated. The Nigerian Security Exchange Commission is there regulating every asset, or we call them security. We call them security. Every one of them are being regulated. The Nigerian Stock Exchange is also there, is part of the regulatory bodies. So before you can list any particular stock on the market, it would have gone through the Security Exchange Commission of the country. every country has it. So they are well regulated and well protected. So what they do is to protect the interest of every investor, because coming to the stock market is listing out what you have and people coming to buy. So there must be some high level of protection, security for investors. They're actually the one that determine what goes and what not. This is PZ, and this is eternal. This is eternal. Eternal for the past how many weeks? For the past how many weeks? It has been 16 naira, 55 kobo. And when I bought this particular stock, I bought it at 17 naira, 97 kobo. Yes, this is what I bought, and this was the actual amount, the capital investment, and this is what it is right now. There's a huge level of loss on this, but because I'm a value investor, there are some level that you will also go. You need to also be patient and allow the stock to also bounce back, because they are all real businesses. They are real businesses. Many of you know Eternal. Eternal is an oil company. Yes, it's an oil company. So that is for Eternal. And then we still have Maya. It's another company that have also not done better. It has been, you can see it has been this. So these are funny. So it is always good you understand all this. You have May and Baker. I learned May and Baker is going to be paying dividend. I think 3 naira plus. They want to actually pay this year. So I actually bought 30,000 units of it, 30,000 units of it, and a whole lot of them. So that is for the foreign stocks. So let me go back. I mean, that is for the local stock. Let me go back and show you the foreign stocks, and then you see the difference. After which I will then actually show us how you can determine, how you can make your choice of a particular stock that you want to buy. You don't just buy stock because they are good or whatever. There are there are indices you must allow to play before you start investing in them. Okay, someone said you can't hear me. You can't hear me. So okay, Maiwa, please. I would like you to check. Okay, let me see. Okay, if you guys cannot hear me, I think I will just use my phone to do this. Oh, okay. Is the screen right? Is the screen? I think okay. Let me stop it and then reshare it again. Let me stop it and reshare it again. Please, guys, once you are able to see the screen, you let me know if you are seeing it or not. Let me see. Okay, please, if you can see it right now, please let me know. If you can see it, please let me know. Let me know on the comment section. You are, please, can you see the screen right now? Can you see it? Let me, because I needed every one of you to go to see through what I'm actually doing, because these are practical sections that we need to. Okay, it's assumed that many of you are actually seeing it. Okay, so I can go ahead. I can go ahead. So, like I was saying, now this is the foreign stock. I want us to now see what a foreign stock can actually offer us. Yeah, I think it's network. I think it's network. So, if it's network, I will just resolve to use my phone to do this. Let me check if I can use Zoom. Let me check. Though this YouTube would have been a perfect way for you to do this. Okay. Okay. So I think it's network that is actually causing this. I don't really know. I don't know why. I'm trying to restart the screen to see if you guys can. Um, Let me see if it can go. Okay, so let me see if you guys can see right now. Let me know if you guys can see right now. Let me know.